Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So the Moose got loose in Vegas. Not too loose, to be honest. Had a couple cigars, had a couple drinks, but definitely bought the dip when I was there. So yeah, I just got back from Vegas, and I want to pump out some more content. We got to keep this train rolling. My goal was 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Then we'll talk about the next goals. So guys, like, comment, subscribe, send me a message, send me a DM, if you know what I mean. So guys, MELD Dev Diaries 100, we're here, and I want to go over it. So I want to go over a little bit of where we're at currently. We are August 22nd of 2024. The market has been looking like it's about to make a positive move to the upside. So Bitcoin did hit around 61 or 62. I think that was yesterday, right? So let's look on the week. There was a little pump. Yeah, we got to like 61 and a half. So that was nice to see. Basically, we're most likely not going to see alts run until Bitcoin runs. And then the other layer ones run. So for example, we'll see Bitcoin make major moves, then ETH, especially if there's an ETF coming out. The Moose is still speculating that that will be out soon. And then we'll see Cardano run, AVAX, and the others that are major projects. So let's get into MELD. So we've gone over that. ADA, by the way, 37 cents. Not too bad. But let's get into the MELD. I believe it's like a penny and a half. It's been here for a while, ladies and gentlemen. Been giving you the opportunity on the month. We're 21%, down 5% on the year, down quite a bit all the time. But this was ISPO. The real token price has been 2 cents, and I've been talking about that for a while. Shout out to Nuvula too. So I got this nice Nuvula t-shirt. Got to meet the team out there. Meld was not there at Rare Evo, so looks like Ken's just dodging the opportunity to meet up with Moose. He probably found out I was showing up, and he's like, you know what? We're gonna call this off. Like, I don't need to meet this guy. He's gonna bother me. So, Ken, maybe next time you can hang out with the Moose. I was a little disappointed, but it's all good. It's all right. I got to hang out with the Kopi team, so I made new friends. So guys, comment down below on a scale of 1 to 10. How much do you think Ken not being there disappointed Crypto Moose? I know how I feel, but you guys can make your own judgment. On a real note, though, MELD is at a $45 million market cap. That is very low for the overall potential of this project. So you're talking about a non-custodial lending and borrowing protocol built on its own blockchain, a layer one. So which we'll talk about and we'll go through. So this is the website. For those of you that don't know what MELD is just that. So it's a non-custodial DeFi protocol for Web3 finance, providing cross-chain lending, borrowing, and staking on the MELD blockchain, supporting the 6 leading blockchains as well as integrated fiat. So it's basically your banking with crypto and fiat all in one. So you can imagine that instead of using a bank, you connect your wallets, and you could do your lending and borrowing, your sending and receiving. You are your own banker. And that's why they have the bank manager NFTs, etc. So if you guys use the link tree, I do have a link here. So click on MELD Bank Manager if you want to pick one up. This doesn't give me anything other than just promoting the project because I like it. I believe in it. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. So again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But I think these are going to be sweet. So these bank managers will give you a yield boost for, I believe, your lending. I believe that's what it's going to do. And then the Diamond Hand NFTs, we could probably look it up. Those are going to be, these are more scarce, the Diamond Hand. Those were given to those of you that participated in the very first epoch. So these are going to be, these will give you, I believe, free subscription when using the app. So not guaranteed there, but I think that's what it's for. So Moose has to get back in the swing of things. So that's what's going on with the NFTs. I think they are a good option. So that's the website. I think the website looks great. It's been looking good for a while. Look at what they did and accomplished in 2023. Okay. Look, if you notice a trend, they're crushing it. The team's looking good. Look at the partnerships, right? Any other advisors that I would know? Probably not. But look at this. Look at the partners. MinSwap, World Mobile, Polygon. A lot. Okay. So this has a lot of potential. We're going to open up the app. But first, let's dive into the Dev Diary 100. Okay. So they have these things called Dev Diaries. It gives you a little bit of information, updates on the project. So let's give a shout out to Dastin. Dastin Adamowski. Dastin Adamowski. Let's give you a shout out. You've written quite a few articles. Yeah, let's do that. I'm sure I can give you a little clap. There we go. So let's dive into this. So Meld Dev Diaries 100. It's a big deal, right? So this was on the 19th of August. Today we are August 22nd. So today marks a monumental milestone for us. 100 weeks of sharing our journey, growth, innovation. So that's the idea here, just to give you guys a little bit of information, what's going on. So by the way, Meld, I don't think it was announced that it was a layer 1 to begin with. I knew this project solely because it was doing DeFi lending and borrowing with Cardano, but now it's a layer 1, and I think it always intended to be that way. So just to reiterate that for you guys as well. So as for the Meld app, for those of you that don't know, Meld has an app. Perhaps I can pull it up. Guys, comment down below if you've ever used the Meld app. So I do have it here. If you guys take a look here, I have it right here, the Meld app. It says expired, so it's not launched yet. But basically, you'll be able to import your non-custodial wallet, meaning you get a seed phrase and you can import your tokens into the wallet. So you can not only view and use Meld with the desktop, like a laptop, but also with your mobile phone. So that is really cool. And of course, being non-custodial, you own your digital assets, which I think is pretty sexy. So that's pretty cool. Worked on improving UI by adding support for Azomi DEX. So there's going to be a DEX, Azomi, that's brought to you by Azomi. LP tokens, Meld, mainnet, creating a special category in the Meld wallet. So that's being developed. Really cool. Developed and deployed on mainnet new standalone payment dApp, Meld Pay. So this is new. I have not heard about this. So used to register business clients for the Meld banking service. Really cool. Added email field for providing the key in the Meld payments, pay payments. So really cool. This is big. So continued with the official App Store release preparation. So this is big. The moose is going to get loose on this app when it comes out. So we're waiting for that. Comment down below if you're more excited about the app or the desktop. For me, I like the idea of the desktop. I think I'm going to use it a lot because let's be honest here. I mean, let's be honest. Moose has unlimited hardware wallets. I just got sent more hardware wallets. I won a crypto wallet at an event. So I'm all over the place with so many different wallets, testing things out. But ultimately, I'm excited for the app just as much as I am for the desktop wallet. It's hard for me to say which one, but it's kind of where I'm at. Meld Mobile, so we're kind of diving through that. So fixing errors, not a big deal there. Worked on setting up an efficient customer support for serving thousands of users, iOS mobile applications. So that's big. You're going to want customer support. You know, the Moose sends funds, he wants to be able to track that, or he's got an issue, he's going to want to resolve that. So that's big. Solidity backend. So super oracles, Moose doesn't know what's going on there. I'm going to leave that to the developers. Quite frankly, they didn't even ask me for my opinion on super oracles. So I'll just let them deal with that if they have any issues. Implemented, deployed, and verified a smart contract to monitor the Meld lending and borrowing protocol. So I like that. On a serious note, that's really good. It looks like they're testing things out. They're getting a sense of what's needed, and they're taking their time with everything. added an additional functionality to export payment receiver info to CSV file, onboarding businesses to Meld. So we talked about that. Upgraded Meld Ackmon bridge to be compatible with the Conway era. I don't know what the Conway era is. You guys can comment that down below. What else we got? Infrastructure. Here's a big one. Migrated all dev and staging Cardano services to the new Cardano node v9. So I don't know what this is all going to mean for the latest node update, especially when it comes to the Chang hard fork. That's all happening like right now, within like a week or so. So that's going to be big. What else we have here that's kind of important? GitHub workflow, pretty simple, pretty slick here. I would say the biggest thing, in my opinion, is going to be the App Store, because we need that. And along with that, like I'm just getting excited for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Meld app just to give you guys a visual, because there are only so many projects that I tend to look at almost every day or sign into, and Meld is one of them. Meld is the one that I continue to look at. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put in my password. Basically, you can set up a new wallet. I've got tutorials for you. If you guys go to the channel, type in Meld wallet setup. I have a video for you. I should. How to set up a Meld app wallet. The beta setup is basically the same as what it will be when you were setting up your wallet today. So let me log in. So I've been staking Meld, and what else have I been doing with it? I've been doing some staking. I was in the Dega ISPO, and I've also connected my MetaMask and other things alike. By the way, MetaMask, it now supports Cardano through in a different Web3 wallet or something. So, man, there's just so much. I got back from Vegas and I have like 17 interview shorts to put out. People are asking me questions. Like I can only create so much content, and actually have to work and do other stuff. So this is what it looks like. You can see the NFTs here. This is your staking NFTs. So by the way, when you stake your token, so this is the staking, right? So you got your wallet, portfolio, staking. When you do that, you have like these NFTs, and what these are representations of your yield that you're earning. So tokens that you're earning. And the thing is too, let's say you do a 5-year, which I think I have done. Let's see here. I thought I did a 5-year. Thought Moose got pretty loose on one of these. All right, so I've done a 1 year. I thought I did a 5-year. Maybe it was a 5-year liquid. Let's see here. No, some of these are going to end soon, which is pretty cool. So anyways, let's say you do a 5-year, 10-year staking, and you want to pull out your rewards, or you want to get your money back. But let's say you did a lock staking. So you could do liquid or locked. Locked, you earn more. But let's say you want to get access to your tokens. Instead of forfeiting, because typically when you do a lock staking, you're going to have to forfeit your rewards because you have to go through with it. So if you do liquid, let's say you have $10,000, you earn like 5%. Cool. You'll earn like, let's say it's $500. Sweet. But if you do locked, you have to commit more, but you earn more for doing so, and it compounds better. Now, let's say I want to take that position and I'm like, crap, I need some funds. Well, you can take this NFT, sell it on a third party like JPEG store, whatever it may be. I don't know exactly how they're going to do it, but somebody else can take over your staking for you. And that way you won't have to forfeit any tokens. So I like that idea. Very innovative in the space. So again, just want to give a little shout out to Meld on that. So we are going to see lending and borrowing very soon. I assume that's going to be around the corner, right? Not financial advice, not real update. You're listening to a moose, but I'm looking forward to that. So token price, I think we have a long way to go. Genuinely a project that could 100x. I'm telling you, this could go from a penny to $1 within a year. It's possible. Yeah, it all depends on Bitcoin, depends on market sentiment, what's going on, etc. But yeah, that's about it. So guys, if you do want to get more information from Crypto Moose, check out the link tree. Pick up a hardware wallet. I just updated this link again, so you guys can pre-order your Tangent Ring, or you can just get access to cards. So these are cool. Use code Moose, save 10% off, and you can get these for what, $50 for a 2-card. Looks like $60 for a 3-card set. You can now recover your seed phrase, which is really cool. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.